Welcome to this tutorial on Claude Fable 5, the latest version of the popular AI storytelling tool. In this video, we'll be covering the key new features and updates in Fable 5 and how they compare to its predecessor, Sonnet 5. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, this tutorial will help you get the most out of Fable 5 and take your writing to the next level. With its improved natural language processing and enhanced creative writing tools, Fable 5 is the perfect tool for anyone looking to unlock their full creative potential. So what are the key differences between Fable 5 and Sonnet 5? One of the main updates in Fable 5 is the enhanced character development tool, which allows you to create more nuanced and realistic characters. Additionally, the plot structure tool has been improved, making it easier to create compelling and engaging storylines. These updates make Fable 5 a more powerful and user-friendly tool for writers. Let's take a closer look at the enhanced character development tool in Fable 5. With this tool, you can create characters that are more nuanced and realistic, with their own motivations and backstories. The character development tool also allows you to create more compelling character arcs, which are essential for creating an engaging and believable story. To demonstrate this, let's create a character using the tool. Another key update in Fable 5 is the improved plot structure tool. This tool allows you to create more flexible and dynamic plot options, which can help to keep your story engaging and unpredictable. The plot structure tool also helps to improve the pacing of your story, which is essential for keeping your readers interested. To demonstrate this, let's create a plot using the tool. In conclusion, Claude Fable 5 is a powerful tool that can help you take your writing to the next level. With its enhanced character development and plot structure tools, Fable 5 is the perfect tool for anyone looking to unlock their full creative potential. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, this tutorial has shown you how to get the most out of Fable 5 and create compelling and engaging stories.